Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a common issue that many of you may have faced while upgrading Istio from version 1.190 to 1.2.1, or later versions, using the canary method. If you've encountered errors during this process, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll dive into the reasons behind these errors and provide a step-by-step guide on how to resolve them. The Istio platform is an open-source service mesh that helps manage microservices in a Kubernetes environment. It provides features like traffic management, security, and observability, making it a popular choice among developers and DevOps teams. However, upgrading Istio can sometimes be a complex process, especially when using the canary method. In this video, we'll cover the common errors that occur during the upgrade process and provide a detailed explanation of how to troubleshoot and resolve them. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to overcome these challenges and successfully upgrade your Istio setup. So, let's dive into the detail. When upgrading Istio using the canary method, there are several reasons why you may encounter errors. One common reason is that the upgrade process may not be properly configured. This can happen when the canary upgrade's resource is not correctly defined, or when the upgrade strategy is not properly set. Another reason for errors during the upgrade process is due to issues with the Kubernetes cluster itself. For instance, if there are problems with the cluster's network policies or if the nodes are not properly labeled, it can cause the upgrade process to fail. To resolve these errors, you need to first identify the root cause of the issue. This can be done by checking the logs and error messages generated during the upgrade process. Once you've identified the problem, you can take corrective action to fix it. For example, if the issue is due to a misconfigured canary upgrades resource, you'll need to update the resource definition to reflect the correct configuration. Similarly, if the problem is related to network policies or node labeling, you'll need to address those issues before reattempting the upgrade. It's also essential to ensure that your Kubernetes cluster is properly set up and configured for the Istio upgrade process. This includes verifying that the necessary pods are running and that the cluster's network policies are correctly defined. To summarize, the key points to take away from this video are: common errors during Istio upgrades using the canary method can be caused by misconfigured canary upgrades resources or issues with the Kubernetes cluster. To resolve these errors, you need to identify the root cause of the issue and take corrective action to fix it. Ensure that your Kubernetes cluster is properly set up and configured for the Istio upgrade process. In upgrading Istio, using the canary method can be a complex process, but with the right knowledge and troubleshooting skills, you can overcome common errors and successfully complete the upgrade. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the topics covered in this video, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on Istio, Kubernetes, and other related topics. We'll see you in the next video.